Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa Phan. If you're new, I was in the NUN program at Northeastern, and this is my NUN London video. And if you guys have not been keeping up with my college life, I've been studying abroad for the past almost 3.5 months, so almost 4 months, and I am about to leave. December 14th is when I'm off, and so my final project for this program was this video, and I thought I'd share it publicly. I just want to preface before we get into the video what this is all about. You guys can read more about my program down below in the description if you're confused. But yeah, anyway, this is my NUN London experience. So let's play the video. Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Phan, and this is my NUN experience. I got into Northeastern! Oh my god! On August 20th, 2019, I traveled 3,647 miles away from my home in Maryland to London, England for my very first semester of college. Every morning, I started my day off with an iced latte from Gail's Bakery. This little cafe soon became my favorite morning workspace before I headed off to South Kensington Station to head to my classes in Russell Square. Every day, I got to walk through Russell Square to get to my classes at the CIU building at NCH. Here, we took classes in traditional classroom settings with my friends, but I also got to integrate anything I learned outside of the classroom in these courses, and I got to use London as my classroom where we visited the British Museum, River Thames, and other iconic London landmarks. When classes were over for the day, I'd grab a quick bite from a cafe and get some work done before heading back to Chelsea to do some grocery shopping and cook dinner with my friends. I learned a lot about taking care of myself living on my own. I looked after my well-being, and I even started meditating with my friends in the common room. Although many of my nights ended similarly in doing homework in the common room with my friends and goofing off, this daily routine was not all London had to offer me in this program. London became my home. I got to learn more and more about my neighborhood Chelsea and the rest of the city of London during my time here, and I'm gonna miss all the food, beautiful architecture, and shopping so much. Beyond London, I also got to explore Brussels, Belgium for a weekend with my friends, where we explored Grand Place and ate amazing Belgian food and desserts. My favorite trip to date was with my residence hall to Edinburgh, and here we got to hike Arthur's Seat and do so many cool things. During reading week, I got to spend my time in Paris with my cousin, and it was our dream come true. Lastly, I took a weekend trip to Rome, Italy, where I got to see historical landmarks I only ever imagined being able to see in my textbooks. These past 4 months have been a dream, and I couldn't imagine my first semester of college any other way. I was able to learn so much in school and about myself while studying abroad here in London. The NUN program has helped me in many ways. The most important thing I'm taking away from this experience are the personal relationships I've built with the people I've met. I made lifelong friends that I can't imagine my life without. I love you guys. This is my NUN experience. Thank you so much for watching.